Welcome back, open designers, and this is your favorite uncle bringing to you this wonderful resource for creating free mobile mockups. Um, Something interesting happened recently. I needed to create some mockups for App Store and Play Store, and I've been working with mockups for a very long time, right? But interestingly, I did not know the modalities that comes with creating mockups for App Store and Play Store because yeah, this was my first time and I had created one. I felt that was going to serve for both the Play Store and App Store until my friend, my senior developer, sent me a WhatsApp message and said, "Hey, bro, hope you know that the shorts for App Store is different from Play Store." Oh, I was like, "Oh, really? Okay, let me go through." So, in a bid to get things done, I realized that I did not know what I needed to do initially. So, I began to do some research as to how to get it done. So, apparently, I was able to figure out how it should be done. But then I wanted to use some other kind of mockups to get my stuff presented, the screens presented, but it wasn't clicking. The ones I had and I had worked with wasn't clicking. So I decided to try out new mockups. But unfortunately, I tried to check out some plugins on Figma to see if they can be used. So I tried. I think it is Angle Mockup. Let me check the name. I think it has to do. I think it's Angle Mockup. Uh, yeah. Oh, sorry. Artboards. Yeah, it's artboards. I tried artboard mockups. Before now, sometime around last year, that was early 2024, artboard used to have like some free, some free mockups because they provide both mobile free and paid mockups, right? But when I checked, I was surprised to see only one free mockup, and that one cannot actually serve the purpose I needed the mockup for. So I had to check out some other things. So yeah, I'm going to show us just three ways you can get your mockups free for free. One of them will have to be on Figma through your plugin. The others, right, the remaining two methods will come through browsers. What I'll be showing you is the first one, and that has to do with the uh platform called Mockup Cloud. Mockup Cloud. Now, I came here because it was already on my browse history, so I felt I was going to see one or two. Now, as you can see, as I'm scrolling on the screen, you have quite a number of resources that you can work with, right? However, you will notice that most of them have prices attached to them: $49, 39, 59. Even this iPhone 16 Pro mockups, $49 now. This uh might not work for someone who is just starting out or someone who wants something that is free. You understand? So the question is, how then do you now access the free mockup here? Now let's check some other uh categories. Let's just check randomly before I show you how to get the free version or your free mockup. So apparently all of this, I've not even seen anyone that is even free. Everything is paid for needs to be paid for. So I now I saw this on the nav menu, no Photoshop, and I was curious to see what it does. So it says edit mockup straight in your browser. Now this will work for anyone who does not have Photoshop, or if you're someone like me who do not want to store your mockup editing on your system, you can work with this. So how this works is I did not even check any of this step one. That was step two. All I did was go to launch. So I'm going to right click on it and open in a new tab. Go to the next tab. I'm creating, so I opened this in a new tab, right? And I was able to see this. So I got more inquisitive to see how this would work. So I decided to check templates, right? When I checked the templates, I was excited about what I saw. So that is was what made me to feel free to show this so that this can be helpful to the community, to designers and creatives out there. I went to mobile and web. Yeah, that was where I went to mobile and web, and I discovered where was it? Okay, this was the one I worked with because I like this. I like this, but let me show. Let me see if we can work with another one. I would have loved something that. Okay, let's check this out to see. So what I did was I selected it like you see me do, right? And after loading, depending on your network, right? After loading, so if you're familiar with the Corel Draw interface, the Photoshop interface, the Adobe Illustrator interface, which other interface again that have this kind of structure? Uh, yeah, that's it. Okay, I think Photo P too, right? So all I had to do was double click on this screen, right? Then it brought me into the second tab, right? And as you can see, this is the screenshot or the screen that we were seeing on this mockup. So I have a screenshot already, but let me work with what you have on the cover. So I have this screenshot and I dragged it into the panel here. I'm going to bring it up. So I just have to shift it above the existing layer and then I will expand. I think okay, yeah. So you can switch on your transform controls here, right? Check it. Then I increased it. Apparently, this is not going to really do justice to my screen because I'm extending beyond the right orientation. So confirm what you've done, and on your phone, I mean, pardon me, I'm distracted. On your keyboard, just press the save uh code like Control S or Command X. So after pressing Command S, this is what you have, right? Your mockup is here. Fine. Now you can decide to set a background to it or not. You can decide to add anything, but I want to work with the PNG version. So all I'll do is come to the file menu here and export as PNG, right? Um, more options for me to adjust, and I'll save. So as you can see, I've saved it here. I mean, it has downloaded. All I have to do is just go to my download folder, and yeah, I can see it. So I'll copy it and I'll bring it to Figma. So let's go to Figma now. Um, so bringing it to Figma, I just want to show you how it works, right? I'll paste it here so you can see that okay, what we just generated is what we have. I'm sure you can see what is on your screen. So that is the first method. That's the first method. I was able to generate mockups. So you can see the I think I used it for this. No, okay, not yeah, but it worked for me. So now the second method. All right, we are going to check out the second browser now, and the second browser is Mockup Bro. I love this particular platform. I discovered this when I was handling a branding project, and I needed to present my Android screens on mobile devices. Excuse me. And now it did not come in easy, but at the end of the day, I was able to now like how it works. So I'm just going to check out one or two um other mockups. But let's check out what we have on the hero section. Pretty straightforward, right? It says create awesome mockups without any graphic software. Like that is just what it does. Pick a mockup, upload a design, download image. So let's try what they are saying out with a mobile phone screen. Right. All right. So this looks like something that we might want to work with, right? So oh no, this won't work. Let me see, because I need a screen that is portrait. This is looking like fine. So I think I worked with this back then. So let's just work with this iPhone 11. All right. So all you have to do is select the mockup you want to work with, and I'm seeing more other mockups that I think I would like to work with. However, let's just get there. Then upload. When you click on upload, it will direct you to um your system base, right? Now you can't see my folder, but I will just get to it pretty much right away, so you can see what I'm about to bring into uh let me use another screen entirely. So I'm using another screenshot so you can see what I'm working on, and you can see the difference. So as you can see, this is pretty different from what we had initially. Like the initial screen, it has been replaced with this screenshot that I uh, gave it. Now you can download it right away, and it's going to download here. So let's go to this also and copy and bring back to show us what we have. So that is the second method that I use to generate my mockup. So if you go to Figma now, you'd see what I'm talking about. After I just pasted it, but let me show you. Just paste, like I'm going to paste right away. So you can see this is what we worked with on the browser on Mockup Bro. Very, very amazing platform. So this works with your stationaries, your apparels, your gadgets, devices, anything at all. Anything at all. I was able to explore a lot. Having seen these two method, let's go on to the third and last method that I want to show us here on this video. So for this has to do with Figma. That's why we are not transitioning anything, right? This is a screen. This is a dating app that I'm currently working on, and I want to screenshot. I want to present this login. Should I do login? Should I do this? Should I do login? Yeah, let's do the login screen. Um, let me do this. I just saw something, so I'll just change it. Right. Yep. Making some adjustment. All right, so we are good to go. So how do you get started with your mockup here? Um, I tried a couple of plugins. I think like I stated it earlier. I tried Artboard. I tried Artboard mockups. I think I tried Angle mockups. But the one I found interesting is Mockup 3D, and I realized that you can only have three options to three presentations per day, like three mockups per day. So I wanted to use the second screenshot. Okay, it's even two. So all you have to do is select it. Let me go back. Now, if you do not have this before, you will have to go to manage. So let me show you how to get there. Go to your plugins, manage plugins, and just type um 3D mockup, and it should present it to you. So this is it here already for me. Mockup 3D. I'm going to run it now. Yeah, and it's going to load up. So upon loading up, I now checked out the different. I tried to check for free plugins. I mean free mockups, right? But I couldn't work with it. I was always skeptical about this particularly because this was one I worked with. This is what you're seeing here. Is what you are seeing on this second mockup here. So how this works is select your screen. Yeah, select the screen. Let me go on so you can see it. Select the one you want to work with. After it has loaded, uh, you will have some panels. Yeah, like you saw earlier. Click on this screen and then on your image, right? Just try to upload. Now it says select an image or frame in your page. So I'm going to select my login with email frame, and amazing, right? Now this is the aspect that blew my mind. Click done, right? And then I could tilt it. It was amazing for me. Like I was really I was I was surprised. I needed this so I can make my decision on how best I want to present it. Don't forget, I want to present this as an App Store screenshot. So this was just very perfect, very perfect because I want something realistic, and that is what they are giving me. So when I click on done, uh, click on screenshot, right, it's going to generate the screenshot, and after it has generated, depending on your network though, depending on how strong your network is, that will determine how fast it will be. After it has been generated, now you see, I have one more. I think I have one more screenshot left for today. But for me, this is amazing. And look at what we have here, right? And there was something I did not show you though, but I think you can play with it. You can change the lightning and everything. So this is what I have here, and I enjoy working with that particular mockup plugin. Very amazing. So I can just increase the exposure of this screen so that it can be better. Like when I say better, I mean brighter, right? Um, Let me zoom in to see. So that's too much. Okay, I think this contrast works well. Yeah. So this is very okay for me now. So can you see? So I deliberately used three different screenshots so you can have an idea of how they all look and from different platforms. This one was from what's the name again? Um this was from Mockup Cloud. When you go to no Photoshop on your navbar, you see no Photoshop, and then it takes you, it redirects you to Photopea. This is from Mockup Bro, and this is from Mockup 3D plugin on Figma. So guys, this is what we have for the day, or for this video, and I hope that this will help your presentation. You can begin to upload your mockups on your profile or portfolio to further showcase your works. And that is all for this video. I'll see you in the next video, but till then, keep creating wonders, keep creating magic. I'll see you in the next video. All right. This is Open Designer saying goodbye.